Hey guys, how you doing? We will be looking on what happened on the lower time frame, but first I want to look at some invalidations on the higher time frame. So what we're looking for still is this being an A, B, and then the 5-wave C. Now after this C is in, there's of course two possibilities. Either this move up is a wave 1 followed by a wave 2, and then we got a wave 3. So therefore this wave 3 can potentially be confirmed once we take the high here once again during this move up. However, this move up can also be, let's say in this case, a wave 1, then it can be an A, B, C expanded flat. So this is another scenario that might be coming up, and then people will be buying here maybe thinking it's a wave 3 going to the moon, while instead it's going down once more. So that's something to think about, I think. Also, this can be, as we count now, a potential wave C, which is confirmed the moment we take this low, because then we expect price to move down lower than the price that's been made at about 15.5K. And also, if we move down and then we move up and we go to the 1.618 extension, which then is somewhere up here. So this is then wave 1, 2, and then 3 till the 1.618 extension, then we can truly confirm that this is going to be a wave 3 and we go further up. Because don't forget, you can also get a fake new top, which might actually be a potential expanded flat high and go down. Now let's look on the lower time frame what happened. So the past few hours after my first video earlier today. So I still count this so far as a as a ending diagonal. I'm just trying to find my folder here. Oh, here it is, ending diagonal, and I'm gonna quickly remove the channel here. Voila. So there we go. So in my opinion, as following the rules of the ending diagonal and what's happened so far, I still count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This then maybe being an A, B, which actually is something I highlighted this morning, that this could happen, followed by a C. And I also told you that wave 3 is not allowed to be longer than the length of this wave 1 in an ending diagonal. So each, like wave 1 should be longer than 3 and 3 should be longer than 5. So the length of wave 1 over here is not allowed to be, or should be, longer than wave 3. Now, this 1-to-1 extension that you see over here, this white line, is the length of wave 1. So if I quickly remove it and actually show you how I took it, we take the low of 4 over here to the high of 1. Oh, I misclicked there. To the high of 1 and then the low of 2. Let me put this on the peak of 1. There we go. Man, I missed again. Accuracy. And then we bring it to the right side. So you see, this is the 1-to-1 length of wave 1. So basically wave 3 is not allowed to touch that line following the official Elliott wave rules. Now if we look inside what's happening in the wave 3 at the moment, we could say that this is the first 5-wave move, followed then by a 3-wave move, and then we might expect another 5-wave move up, creating another zigzag, which is typical for an ending diagonal, for it being a 3-wave move zigzag, another 3-wave move being a zigzag, then here another zigzag followed by eventually 2 more zigzags. So this being a move down actually fits the plan so far. And then what I'm looking for is the following. So I put a fib retracement now from the low of 2 to the high of this first 5-wave move up. I'm going to put it on the golden pocket area. Let me put the levels here so you actually know what you're looking at. They're on the right side. And then let's pull, because we know that if we go down now and we're going to get another move up, creating another 3-wave move structure, this high over here of this new potential wave going up is not allowed to cross this white line. So we need to see how deep does this wave need to go to stay below the 1-to-1. So if we take an extension from the low of 2 to the high over here of the 5th wave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the high of the 5th. And then I bring it down. You can see the 1-to-1 appearing in the top of the screen, right? So if I put it on top of the 618, if the low would be made here on the first green line, you can see that the 1-to-1 is too high. And this 5-wave move tends to be the same length as the potential 5-wave move in a zigzag that still has to happen, because in zigzags, wave A and wave C tend to be the same size. So we want the 1-to-1 to be below the one-to-one that's already there. So in that case, we bring it down and we can see that price now should actually retrace to below the 0.66 and basically hit the daily level there as well. Preferably, I would actually like it to go to the 786 because why not? Let's click on the 786 and put it stationary there. And now we can see this is the old one-to-one or the old. This one-to-one should not be breached. And this could be the target of wave C. And wave C then being this A, this then being a B, and then we have wave C going back up. And wave A and wave C tend to be the same size in the length that they have. So the size of A should then also be about the size of C over here. But that, of course, is something we don't yet know. Elliott waves, of course, a lot can happen. There's different scenarios, but this is currently the scenario that I am following on the local time frame. This being said, this is what I wanted to tell you. So I'm looking for this A, B wave down, and based on the depth, or actually based on a one-to-one extension, I would expect wave B to at least wick below the 0.66. And if I remove the fibs here, you can see there's actually a daily level here as well. And for the people that don't know what a daily level is, it's basically where this red candle went down, the next candle went up, and you can see it basically created a level here. Red down, the next candle goes up, closes high again, and that creates this daily. So basically, if this daily candle over here, the one of today, if that one would close right now, then there would be a new daily level right there. So anyway, that being said, this is what I wanted to tell you in this short afternoon update. Hope you have a great day, great evening, great morning, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.